Here we are with finished Quantum Ink project. This was a complete gut. There was a 2-story here office space and we removed it, and this is the build out. They're still in the process of moving in, but here's kind of the lobby area. Here we created a brand new large conference room for them right here. There's a much smaller conference room for more intimate meetings. As we walk around here on the first floor, there's a stairs to go up to the second floor, which we will do. As you come around here, there's 2 restrooms, warehouse lab areas out there, and then here's their conference room there. And then as we go out here, we separated this. Here's a warehouse restroom here, and then here's their lab space where a lot of the magic happens for them, testing new paints and such. And then, excuse the little warehouse mess there. But this is the second way to get up to the upstairs. They have a little mezzanine up here for storage. But let's go in here to see all the office spaces. Here's 2 more restrooms here. And they're still moving in, but here's one of the offices there. And as we move down to the hallway, offices on both sides all the way down. We come past here. Here's another office space. And then this takes us right back down into the lobby. But yeah, that's about a little over 5,200 square feet of office space. With the lab, it's 5,400. But yeah, it's a full gut, full rebuild here. And then I'd like to take you outside to see what we did here for their dock area. So all this is new, all new concrete. We took out some rough asphalt, mostly gravel here. And then we built this dock extension and raised dock for the warehouse space. It's covered here. But yeah, it really has been beneficial for them, as this is their second location. The other location is back behind us, back that way, where they run their main operations out of. But this space here is for a little bit of the extra storage and also for their corporate office. So they're moving all their offices over here and such. So, but yeah, but here's the dock extension and the new raised dock that we did, and slope down to the door here that they go into. So that's it. I appreciate you guys watching this walkthrough. Sorry if it's a little shaky, but yeah, thanks again.